Hi, in this video I will explain what we mean by knowledge management, and we will link knowledge management to education and evaluation. Knowledge management is leveraging people, resources, processes and information in order to achieve a strategic objective. Other terms related to knowledge management include information management, knowledge translation, knowledge brokering, and innovation brokering. According to Weissel, Gartner, and Pitchen, it is important to differentiate knowledge from providing information. Knowledge management is more than just information, as you can see in this knowledge management cognitive pyramid, where information management and knowledge management are clearly distinguished. For Weissel, Gartner, and Pitchen, knowledge is required for disaster risk reduction policy, by which we mean information decision-making, and practice, in the sense of coordinated action. For them, the Sendai framework for DRR lends more attention to the role of knowledge than the Hyogo framework, and furthermore, provides recommendations on knowledge creation and dissemination. Still, they identify that further work is needed for effective knowledge management in DRR. Concerning knowledge management and technology, UNISDR states that a sustainable and successful information and management system for DRR should address user technology constraints and adapt technology to local contexts. They emphasize the need to standardize data while respecting the local context. They also insist on the importance of ensuring interoperability and, where appropriate, promote open data and use open source technology and integrate social media and social services and communication systems. Ultimately, we need to design and test interfaces and interactions for usability. Also, UNISDR developed the scorecard, which is the Information and Knowledge Management for DRR framework, IKM for DRR framework, in question format. The scorecard helps us to understand whether we are following recommended practice concerning information and knowledge management. UNISDR also created Prevention Web, which is a participatory web platform for the disaster risk reduction community. For Weissel, Gartner, and Pitchen, we cannot consider only one person's knowledge being conveyed to another, or assume that the knowledge transmitted will have the anticipated impact. Therefore, we need education, training and awareness campaigns. They are part of DRR activities and measures. Education is one effective way to transfer knowledge. Actors at all levels have identified the need to promote a global culture of safety and resilience and have identified the integration of DRR in formal and informal education and participatory learning and public awareness campaigns. There are many tools and technologies that can be used. A few include the use of ICT, for instance wireless internet access, smart mobile device, radio broadcasting, and of course, massive open online courses. Disaster risk reduction education is essential for reducing vulnerability. In Japan, several international students have not been exposed to DRR education in their countries of origin. This is why the University of Nagoya, in collaboration with Tohoku University, developed an education program to empower international students to deal adequately with disasters. Evaluation can be defined as measuring progress towards objectives and goals. It is important to keep in mind that evaluation is not a goal in itself. Evaluation helps generate knowledge because through evaluation we can expand the evidence base. Evaluation is important because it helps us to learn and increases transparency and accountability. Furthermore, it will facilitate the reporting to donor agencies and provides opportunity for feedback. Evaluation can help us adequately adapt management throughout program implementation. Overall, evaluation is an integral part of an intervention. Examples of science and technology for evaluation include the Risk Reduction Index, cost-benefit analysis, and the theory of change. Other examples of science and technology for evaluation include logical frameworks, problem trees, and focus groups. Or we can also use GIS, big data, and models. In this video, we illustrated how knowledge is required for disaster risk reduction policy and practice. We also showed that education is one effective way to transfer DRR knowledge and that evaluations provide information and knowledge to decision makers to enable them to make better decisions. Once again, we could see how science and technology support knowledge management, DRR education, and evaluation.